What is this? What is that? Like, I could poke someone's eye out with that. I mean, did Mary Bennett ever find anybody? Like, did she get married? You know, we know what happens to Elizabeth and Jane and Lydia, but what happens to Kitty and Mary? Do they just get put on the shelf or what? There were quite a few likes on my last Easter candy haul, so I decided I was gonna go ahead and do another haul. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I found, and wowzas. So look at this. I love when you get multiples in one packaging, and you get what, 5 in here, and then look how cute the little packaging is. And you get ducks, chicks, and bunnies. This is very similar to one of the other items that was in my last haul, which I'll link at the end for you guys. But I love the little window, and then you can see the treats. I'm going in no particular order. I'm just grabbing from the bag and we're going with it. But here is Junior Mints, a name brand candy. As you can see there, they have also a spring design to their packaging as well, just like Skittles did, and Warheads and Sour Patch Kids, which was in my last video. Also another name brand candy, which is Nerds. Look at this packaging. Dollar Tree can sometimes be infamous for selling something for $1 that's just not quite worth it when it comes to candy, but I feel like this is a pretty good size package for $1, and you get 10 in here, and you get Gotta Have Grape and Seriously Strawberry, and then even like the peekaboo windows, like in the shape of a flower, very spring. Here's another name brand, Now and Later, and they're in the form of Jellybeans. I love the packaging. I love how bright and fun it is, and you get apple, cherry, strawberry, watermelon, grape, and banana. And then of course these are going to be great egg fillers. Here is another same concept, the little boxes, but these are going to be Jellybeans, and they're Brock's candy. I think this is definitely a name brand candy, I believe. And these are tiny jelly bird eggs, so basically jelly beans. This one I found really interesting, and this is kind of what I love about Dollar Tree candy, is the name brand is great, and I definitely love to see like all the different packaging and quantity, but I also love the kind of candy that I feel like I just don't see everywhere else but at my Dollar Tree. But look at this gorgeous chocolate bar, and it has like white chocolate with colorful candy sprinkles, so it has like that funfetti look to it, and the window is a carrot. I just love the packaging. It's just really fun to look at. Kids don't care for the packaging, they care for what's inside, but you know, us adults, we kind of like the packaging, don't we? And then I found also the same brand, Palmer. I've never heard of that brand. Yeah, this is not a Dollar Tree brand, so I'm sure it's probably sold in other places other than Dollar Tree, but I've just never seen it before. But they also have these individual giant sized chocolates, and as you can see, the packaging yellow, pink, and green. There wasn't a blue. You could kind of think, oh, these are blues, there are purple. I only saw these 3, or I would have grabbed them all for you. Although if you look in the picture, there's 4. So there must be a 4th that I just didn't find. So I found all of them except the little baby chick. So here's this little bunny. As you can see, he's right here in the lineup. And then here is the little duck, and he's right here in the lineup. And he's like a white chocolate. And here is this bunny in the green. Oh, that's so disappointing. I wish I would have found the little chick. I'm assuming there is one. Another huge bar of chocolate, which is gonna be that same brand, Palmer's, yet again. But I think that the bar of chocolate is really cute. It's a little bunny in overalls, and it is double crisp chocolate. It's like milk chocolate, but it's like double crisp. Now these candies are gonna be cute for your younger audience, or for just anyone who kind of loves Mickey Mouse. but these are gummies, and you also get stickers in here as well. And I only found the yellow trim and then the purple trim, which just kind of tells me that the packaging is going to be a little bit different. It looks like you probably get the same contents on the inside, however, but it is, I guess this is like Minnie Mouse and this is Mickey. Here is another package of Jellybeans. This is by a company called Coastal Bay. I've seen this at Dollar Tree. Well, it's because it's a Dollar Tree brand. It says Greenbrier right here. That kind of explains it because they have quite a few Coastal Bay candies, not just Jellybeans, but like a variety. And they also had other Jellybeans and I didn't pick them up. They're kind of like the spackled kind. They had a more pastel look to them. But I got these. So these are going to be great egg fillers as well. And then look at this, the Palmer's again. That's just crazy. I never paid attention to this brand and all the variety that Dollar Tree's selling for them. But this is a peanut butter filled milk chocolate egg, and I love the packaging in it too. It's like one single little egg. It's a peanut butter. It's like a giant egg. Didn't realize it, but I actually got 2 of those chocolate bunnies, and here is the other one that has a different look, and he is purple, she is gold, and green overalls? Oh, yellow. It's looking a little green on camera, but it's actually yellow, and both of these are double crisps. This is probably one of my favorite things just because I like for baskets to have themes. But look at this, green and blue. I think this is so cute, especially if you have a girl to give a basket to and a boy to give a basket to. They can kind of have baskets that look similar, but their colors are different and unique to them. I just love the little cotton candy packaging like this. And then, as you can see, has the bunny. Next up are gonna be, what the heck do I call these? Look at this. You push this little trigger in the back, and there's something on the inside of the egg. It's a bunny. Isn't that cool? And then the kid also gets like candy in here. Very adorable. So you get a blue egg, a pink egg, and a yellow egg. And each little bunny in the center is a different color. So pink bunny in here, yellow bunny in here, and blue bunny in there. That's adorable. That's fun. They didn't have anything like this when I was growing up. If they did, I didn't get it. I also love these again because if you want to do like a color themed basket, you've got options. I was really surprised this was a purple instead of pink, right? They seem to be going more towards pink than a purple, but these are like M&Ms or knockoff M&Ms because this does not have the M&M label, but as you can see, they're just little milk chocolate candies. And they're all the same color, it's just that the egg is going to be different. Very last things, which I think are so fun. If you're going to do an Easter basket, I feel like these are just a must. But look how adorable these little lollipops are. But pause for a second. Do you see what I'm talking about with pink? It's always like blue, pink, and yellow. So it's just odd that that one was purple, but I also appreciate that because it's nice to have other colors as well. But anyway, these are basically little lollipops that have kind of like a pacifier quality to them, if you will. When you put this in your mouth, you have like a little beak, like you're a little chick. And then you can see the lollipop here. They've done these similar for Halloween as well. And then here's this one, which has a cute little blue bunny nose. So for a boy, for a girl, I think it's so cute. Love that. However, I do have someone in mind that I'm actually going to gift this candy for, so a couple of little people. And so it's definitely not going to go to waste, but if I could, I'd probably like put this cute little basket together and give it to my daughter. But if she got this, she would be like, what's wrong with you? Not that an 18-year-old can't receive this in their basket, because if they like it, you give it to them. My daughter, however, will look at me like I've got problems. So anyway, I digress. That's it for this Easter candy haul. Again, I could probably do a third video. I don't know if you guys want to see that, so thumbs up again in case you just want to see more. But I feel like between the first part and this video, quite a bit for you guys to get an idea of the candy that's out there and how to structure your baskets with different themes and colors in mind. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am really excited for Saturday's video. The haul that you're going to witness on Saturday is going to be, it's shocking, because I feel like every time I haul, it just keeps getting better and better, and you're just like, when are you gonna plateau? Oh no, honey. Oh no, honey. Saturday's haul is going to blow your mind. I am in complete shock over it. So click the little bell if you want to make sure that you get your notification as soon as that video posts. Otherwise, I also let you guys know on Instagram when my videos are going to go up. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.